Hey everyone, it's me, Lash Professional. Hey everyone, welcome back to my channel. If you're new here, my name is Rachel Anita and I like to do videos about fashion, beauty, career, lifestyle, budget, just about everything. But today we're going to be doing a video of me testing out a product that a brand sent me. I'm actually really excited about this because I have struggled for so long putting on false lashes, and I don't know about you, but that has completely deterred me from wearing them. So I was super excited when GLAMNETIC decided to send me this package of lashes and nails, which will be coming in a different video. But I just wanted you to like actually unbox them with me and then just see what is up here. So they sent me a magnetic eyeliner here. Let's take it out. So it's like a pen liner and it's like the felt tip type. This is like the only type I use. I'm not good at liners, so we'll also see how this goes, but I'm pretty excited about it. They also sent me 3 lashes. That's a lot of lashes. Good for me. I guess I'll be wearing a lot of lashes. So they sent me the Live-In Lash. It says premium magnetic lashes. It says never get so busy making a living that you forget to make a life. Wow, I love that. That's deep. But yeah, so it shows you the lashes here. And then it says anchors included. So these are really pretty. I'm excited about these. Let's take a look at the other ones. This one looks like it's a little bit longer. And I like the idea of the magnetic lash. It just seems like it'd be so much easier to put on compared to the regular traditional lashes. And yeah, these are so much longer. These don't say the type. Oh, Vixen. The packaging is so cute also. But yeah, these are the next lashes. These are a lot longer. I might save those for like a really crazy thing I'm doing or something. I'm going out with friends later, so I thought today would be the perfect day to film this video. So these are the last ones. These are the Luxe Lash. Okay, so here's the Luxe Lash. These are super pretty as well. These seem like even crazier than the previous ones. I'm definitely going to use like the simplest ones right now because that's a lot for me. So we're going to be putting on these today. This is called the Live-In Lash. I guess that makes sense because like they're just for daily living versus the Luxe ones are super fancy. Oh, and then the last item that they send you also are like a lash grab, which will help you to put on the lash in this cute little packaging. So let's get started. Okay everyone, so now we're actually going to put the lashes on. So the first step is to put on the magnetic liner. It says to shake it a few times before you do it, like usual, and then I'll be using the mirror here to do it. So I'm going to put my mirror right here so that you can watch me do it. But yeah, shook it a few times, it's ready to go, and I am going to try to apply it. I'm really bad at eyeliner too, so this is really stressful, especially since I'm doing this for like a video that a brand sent me product for, but let's go for it. So it says to apply it as close to the lash line as possible. So, oh my god, I already messed up. Oh my god, was that? Okay, so I just did one and it looks like the eyeliner is great. I actually would use this without the magnetic, but my eyeliner skills are not it. So let's do the other eye really quickly. Okay, this one's so much better than this one. I don't know what I was thinking. Okay, so excuse my bad eyeliner technique, but I did like a sort of wing. We'll clean it up later, but let's try putting on the lashes now. So it says to wait like 10 to 15 seconds, so I'm gonna do that and then look at my liner in the mirror. Okay, so let's actually try to put the lash on. I'm gonna just like add extra because I'm like nervous, I guess, and then I'm just gonna pick up the lash out of the box. Okay, I've got it here. Okay. So I'm just like trying to line it up with the eyeliner, I guess. And then I'm gonna press the lashes down and kind of try to bind them together. That looks pretty good. Oh my god. Who am I? A lash master? Y'all, I just recorded it going on so easily, but now I'm gonna pull them off and show you again. Hopefully it does it again, but like I just put it on my lash line and then, oh my god, I did it again. So I'm just gonna press down on the lashes, and holy crap, that just went on so easily. Okay, I'm actually shook. And they're like really hard to pull off. Like, not hard, but like if you want to pull them off, they'll be easy, but they won't come off unless you want them to come off. Yeah, like they're on me, see? Wow, these went on so easily. I'm actually shook. Y'all, I've never been this good at lashes. I'm gonna go around saying I'm really amazing at lashes, and it's all because GLAMNETIC made them go on so easy. It's all GLAMNETIC. Holy, whew. Okay, wow, okay. Hey everyone, it's me, Lash Professional. Okay everyone, so now I'm actually gonna do my mascara just because let's finish the whole thing up, right? I just used the Roller Lash Benefit mascara, and let's do it. Let's connect the two. Okay everyone, so that's the video. That's me, my GLAMNETIC lashes. Again, they're super cute. I would definitely go check them out. I have a discount code below, so yeah, definitely go check this out. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you love my lashes.